Hello friends, in the world of construction, drawings are like the blueprint for that puzzle. Each drawing serves a specific purpose, ensuring that everyone involved in the construction project knows what to do and how to do it. They minimize errors, prevent costly mistakes, and ensure the final result aligns with the original design. Let us start with as-built drawings. These are prepared by the contractor. They show the actual completed project, including any changes made during construction. Due to some specific inevitable issues arising during the construction process, the contractor brings necessary changes to the original drawings. As-built drawings are handed over at project completion for future reference and maintenance. Shop drawings. Contractors and suppliers are responsible for these. They provide detailed plans for how various components like steel structures or cabinets will be fabricated and installed. Shop drawings ensure that everything fits together correctly. Concept drawings. Concept drawings are usually created by the architect. They are the initial sketches that capture the design vision. They are given to the client for approval before detailed planning begins. Design drawings. Design drawings are developed by the architect. These drawings refine the concept and provide a more detailed view of the project's overall design. Detailed drawings. Detailed drawings are created by the architect. They focus on specific components like windows, doors, or structural elements. These drawings are essential for precise construction. GFC drawings. The responsibility typically lies with the contractor. GFC stands for Good for Construction. These drawings incorporate all the necessary details and modifications from the design and detailed drawings, making them ready for actual construction. IFC drawings. The architect finalizes these. IFC stands for Issued for Construction. They represent the approved design that the contractor will use to build the project. It's a green light for construction to begin. AFC drawings. These are as fabricated or as fitted drawings, and they are created by the contractor. AFC drawings capture any changes made during construction. They are vital for maintenance, future renovations, or reference. Concept drawings come first to get the design approved. Design and detailed drawings follow to refine the plan. GFC and IFC drawings signal the green light for construction. Finally, as-built and AFC drawings are handed over at project completion for future reference. So friends, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.